Welcome to our channel Easy Learn, Funny Learn. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications.
In this video, we are going to see Chapter 4 Natural Resources from National Science Olympiad Workbook of MTG Class 5. The skills covered in this chapter are atmosphere, properties of air, water and soil, purification of water, rocks and minerals, forest. First one. The given picture shows that air has dash. So A has mass, B occupies space, C contains dust, D gives shape to things. So please observe the given picture. When seen in light, air shows some suspended particles floating in it. These are the particles of dust. Okay, when seen in light, air shows some suspended particles floating in it. These are the particles of dust. So option C is the correct answer. Option C. Second one. Select the correct option regarding natural resources. A. They can never be exhausted. B. They are obtained from soil only. C. Non-mineral resources include air and water. D. Some of the natural resources are harmful to us. So useful products that we obtained from nature are called natural resources. Okay. Useful product that we obtained from nature are called natural resources. They are never harmful. Some resources are exhaustible, that is petrol, coal, etc. While some resources are inexhaustible, example sunlight, air, etc. Resources we get from soil or mineral resources, example gold, coal, while those we get from other than soil or non-mineral resources, example air and water. So the correct option regarding natural resources are option C. Non-mineral resources include air and water. Option C is the correct answer. Third one. 3 glasses P, Q and R have equal amount of water were taken at room temperature and equal amount of salt was added to each one of them. After that, P was cooled, Q was heated and R was left undisturbed. Water in which glass will now taste most salty? Option A P, B Q, C R, D all will taste the same. Actually, solubility increases on heating. Okay, solubility increases on heating. So Q was heated, glass Q was heated. So water in glass Q will be taste more salty. Water in glass Q will taste most salty. So option B is the correct answer. Option B. Fourth. In dash we leave a mixture in a jar undisturbed for some time, so that impurities get settled at the bottom and then slowly pour clear water into another jar. A. Filtration, B. Evaporation, C. Decantation, D. Condensation. So it is the process of decantation. Option C. It is the process of decantation. Option C is the correct answer. Fifth. Soil is formed from rocks by the process of dash that occurs due to effects of dash and dash, etc. Select the option that will correctly complete the given sentence. A. Erosion, temperature, wind. B. Erosion, microorganism, water. C. Weathering, erosion, pollution. D. Weathering, water and wind. Formation of soil is a slow and gradual process. Soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks by the action of wind, water, temperature and microorganism. This is called weathering. So, soil is formed from rocks by the process of weathering that occurs due to effects of water, wind, etc. So, option D is the correct answer. Sixth, dash in soil is the fertile component. A. Gravel, B. Humus, C. Moisture, D. Air. Humus is the dark color component of soil that is rich in organic matter. It makes soil fertile. So option B is the correct answer, humus. Seventh, which of these natural resources is a source of lumber used for building a house? A. Ores, B. Coal, C. Trees, D. Grasses. Lumber or timber is the wood used in construction work. Okay, lumber or timber is the wood used in construction work. Trees are the source of wood. Option C is the correct answer. Option C. Eighth one. Refer to the given figure. The rock X can be dash. A. Granite, B. Pumice, C. Marble, D. Shale. So pumice is a porous, light yet hard igneous rock. It is so light that it can float on water. So option B, pumice is the correct answer. Option B, pumice. Ninth, Nidhi pushed the plunger of syringe completely and dipped its needle in water. Then she slowly pulled the plunger while its needle was still immersed in water. Select the correct option regarding this. A. Water will move in the syringe when she pushed the plunger down due to air pressure. B. When she pushed the plunger down, all the air moved out, creating an empty space in syringe. C. Air outside the syringe exerted pressure on water, causing it to move in when the plunger is pulled up. D. Both B and C. When the plunger is pushed down, the air inside the syringe is pushed out, creating an empty space. So option B is correct. And also when the plunger is pulled up, the water rushes up to take empty space due to the air pressure acting on it outside the syringe. So option C also correct. So both B and C. Option D is the correct statement. Option D. 10th. Which of the following statement is incorrect? So we need to select the incorrect statement. A. Precious metals like gold and platinum are used for making jewelry. Correct statement. B. Dentists use powdered pumice for polishing our tooth. Correct statement. C. Black gold is another name of granite. Incorrect statement. Because black gold is another name of oil or petroleum. It is black when it comes out of the ground and is worth a great deal of money. Okay. So black gold is the another name of oil or petroleum. So option C is incorrect. D. Shale is used to make tiles and bricks. Correct statement. So the incorrect statement is option C. Option C is the correct answer. 11th one. Study the given figure carefully. What will happen to the water level in the tub when some air is sucked out of the glass? A. Water level in the tub will go down. B. Water level in the tub will rise. C. Bubbles will appear in the tub. D. Water level in the tub will remain the same. So when the air is sucked out of the glass, when the air is sucked out of the glass, the water will enter into the glass and thus level of water in the tub will go down. When the air is sucked out of the glass, the water will enter into the glass and thus the level of water in the tub will go down. So option A is the correct answer. Water level in the tub will go down. Option A. 12th. Fossil fuels formed over a long period of time when heat and pressure were applied to A. Nitrogen mixed in the water, B. Organism buried in the ground, C. Carbon filtered through limestone, D. Bacteria on top of the mud. Fossil fuels are the most important sources of energy for human being. Coal and petroleum are kinds of sedimentary rock. Fossil fuel formed from the remains of plants and animals that lived millions of years ago. So fossil fuel formed over a long period of time when heat and pressure were applied to organisms buried in the ground. Option B. Option B is the correct answer. 13th. Which of these is the most accurate description of air based on the pie chart? A. 2/3 nitrogen and 2/3 oxygen and 1/10 other gases. Incorrect. B. 3/4 oxygen and 1/3 nitrogen and other gases. Incorrect. C. 1/2 nitrogen and 1/2 oxygen and other gases. Incorrect. D. 1/5 oxygen, 4/5 nitrogen and other gases. Correct. Okay. 1/5 oxygen and 4/5 nitrogen and other gases. Because air is a mixture of gases, about 78% is nitrogen, 21% is oxygen, and the remaining 1% is mainly argon and carbon dioxide. Air also contains varying amounts of water vapor, dust particles and smoke. So option D is the correct answer. Option D. 14th. Select the option that groups rock of two different kinds as shown in the box. Sandstone, pumice. A. Granite, obsidian. B. Shale, limestone. C. Slate, marble. D. Conglomerate, obsidian. So the relationship in the box pairs a sedimentary rock. Sandstone is a sedimentary rock and pumice is an igneous rock. So sedimentary rock and igneous rock. Similarly, conglomerate is a sedimentary rock and obsidian is an igneous rock. So option D is the correct answer. Option D. 15th. Select the correct statement out of the following. A. Sandy soil need regular addition of fertilizer as it hold large amount of water. Incorrect statement. B. Loamy soil has good qualities of both sandy and clayey soil, thus is most suitable for pottery. Incorrect statement. Because clayey soil is most suitable for pottery. C. Clayey soil develops cracks in hot weather causing harm to the roots of plant, thus is not suitable for agriculture. Correct statement. Okay, option C is correct statement. D. The water holding capacity is highest in clayey soil and lowest in loamy soil. Incorrect. Lowest in sandy soil. So only option C is correct statement. So the correct answer is option C. Next is Achiever section 16th. Beena performed an experiment in which she took 4 beakers containing different amounts of water at different temperatures. She added equal amount of salt into each beaker. Identify the beaker in which salt takes the shortest time to dissolve. This question also already we discussed because the solubility increases with increase in temperature. Okay. The solubility increases with increase in temperature. So rate of dissolution of solute increases with increase in temperature and quantity of solvent. So identify the beaker in which salt takes the shortest time to dissolve. A. Beaker 1, B. Beaker 2, C. Beaker 3, D. Beaker 4. So beaker 4 has both more amount of water and also temperature is high. So it helps in fast dissolution of salt in water. Beaker 1, it has little water and also temperature is less. Beaker 2, it has little water and then temperature is 80 degrees Celsius. When compared to beaker 1, 2 and 3, beaker 4 has highest water and temperature also high. So answer is option D, beaker 4. Beaker 4 in which salt takes shortest time to dissolve. So the correct answer is option D. 17th. Take a glass and fill it with water up to the brim and make sure that there are no air bubbles. Take a thick stiff piece of cardboard and put it over the glass. Place your hand over the cord and quickly turn the glass upside down. Now slowly remove your hand. What does this experiment shows? A. Air occupies space. B. Air exerts pressure. C. Air has weight. D. All of these. So when you will remove your hand, you will find that cord stays in place and the water does not flow out. This is because air exerts pressure on the cord from below to keep the cord in place. Here the pressure exerted by air upward is more than the pressure exerted by water downwards. So this experiment shows air exerts pressure. Option B is the correct answer. Option B. 18th. Monty fully filled a glass bottle with water, put a stopper on it, and placed it upright in the freezer overnight. When he looked at it in the morning, the stopper was out of the bottle and a column of ice has emerged through the opening of the bottle. Which one of the following is the best explanation for what Monty had observed? Okay, which one of the following is the best explanation for what Monty had observed? A. The bottle had contracted when it was put in the freezer and the water could no longer fit into it. No. B. Extra water condensed from the air in the freezer and then froze to form the column of ice. No. C. The bottle and the stopper had contracted, allowing the water to pour out and form the ice column. Incorrect. D. The volume of water had increased when the water froze, forcing the stopper out of the bottle and forming the column of ice. It is the correct statement because water expands, that is increase in volume upon freezing. This is due to the fact that upon freezing, water molecule crystallize into an open hexagonal lattice forming which molecule enclose more space among themselves than in liquid state. So it results in increase in volume. So option D is the correct answer. Option D. 19th. The U-tube shows below is immersed in ice water. X and Y are the red ink droplets present inside the tube. So please pause the video and observe the given figure. What will you observe after some time? Option A. X will move upwards and Y will move upwards. B. X will move upwards and Y will move downwards. C. X and Y will move upwards. D. X and Y will move downwards. So due to cooling effect of ice water, okay, due to cooling effect of ice water, the air in the U-tube contracts, okay, the air in the U-tube contracts, due to which the red ink X and Y move downwards, okay, due to which the red ink X and Y move downwards. So option D, X and Y will move downwards. Option D is the correct answer. Next, last question. The graph below shows the temperature of a beaker of water as it is subjected to various treatments. What could have taken place at point Q? A. The beaker of water was kept on burner with full flame. B. Ice cubes were added to the beaker of water. C. A small amount of salt was added to the beaker of water. D. Some water was poured out of the beaker. So at point Q, there occurs a gradual decrease in temperature of water, which could have been possible due to addition of ice cubes into the beaker of water. So option B, ice cubes were added to the beaker of water because at point Q there occurs a gradual decrease in temperature. So option B is the correct answer. Thank you my dear kids for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this video. It will motivate me to post more videos. If you have any doubt, please mail me at easylearnfunnylearn@gmail.com. Thank you.